Another day in Florida and inspecting another Country Coach. This is a 2009 Intrigue, so it's one of the last models made. And basically, I think we like the color. 525 horsepower, 1650 foot of torque. A powerful engine should be enough to pull the trailer or anything that you might tow behind the coach. And so click on that subscribe button, join us in our search as we continue and narrow things down to purchase our coach and move in.
Indiana?
Yeah. 2009 Intrigue. Is that the bugs or is that the poor result of the film? Pull up. And that one is. It's a similar principle. Hey, it's actually there's an electronic component to it, and then there's a physical part that you pull. But this is, I actually don't like the system. Not sure that's locking very good. So some rust, huh?
Yeah.
That is in good shape in the basement area. There's a ladder.
Outside color on this coach is just about it. The front, the interior didn't work out for us, and the upkeep with the doors opening funny and some rust, we didn't care much for this coach. So, but just a lesson learned. Move on to the next one. Again, this was a 2009, so it was newer, but upkeep is huge, and the maintenance on these, so we didn't particularly like this coach, but we're glad we stopped and checked it out. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and click on subscribe button and follow us in our search as we purchase and move on to live in full-time in the Country Coach.